What's up? This is Inside the Bags. What's inside my bag? I've been dying to get one of these. It takes forever. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Yes, sir. Let me get down here. I live in Washington. We go on hikes all the time. My girlfriend loves to hike. So why not? The possibilities are endless. Pure fun and usable for other things. You could use this as a job. You could use this with your photography. Duh. Movie, cinema, oh, it's a drone with an amazing camera on it. We really don't have to go into it. You want to know what's in my bag, why it's in my bag, and do I think it's worth it? So, right off the bat, let's open it up and see. Not everything is satisfying. All right. What do we have in the box? A bag. We have a bag. That's it? Perfect. What's inside my bag with Inside My Bags on What's Inside My Bag. All right, first off, the bag is nice. It's got nice material. It feels like you could get water on it and not kill it. It does have waterproof zippers. They have the little tabs on them. What do we have inside? We have accessories inside. Accessories inside. Instruction manual. Packages with propellers inside. So we have propellers A and B. We got one side, two side. We have a USB Type-C, two USB Type-C, cord, cable, chargy dude. Jeez, what else we got in here? A tiny screwdriver. Crap. Oh, we have another cord. USB to USB Type-C. We'll zip that back up. What is this? Oh, this is the reason right here why I bought this drone. Aside from the fact that this drone is like amazing and it has an awesome camera and a whole bunch of like cool things that you can do with it, whether you're a professional or amateur, I have another drone that I bought that has a good camera, but I had to hook my phone up to it, and I hate that. Absolutely hate having to put my phone on here, okay? Because it takes forever. I got to open up the app and my phone, and I lock it trying to put it in there, and I got to open it again. Then someone calls. Are you kidding me? No, no phone. This is what you see. This is your screen. This is how you control it.
Is why I bought it.
I'm so excited about that. What else we got? We got, looks like a battery charger. Yep. Now this thing, the combo kit, the Fly More combo kit, comes with a bunch of accessories. Bingo, bango. A screwdriver, and extra batteries. That's the one thing about drones, their batteries don't last long. Comes with this amazing bag. This is actually a really nice bag. It's got a little pocket behind here. You could EDC this bag, everyday carry this bag. It's more like a purse though. It's got a nice strap. That's nice material. I kind of thought the bag was going to be cheap crap. Not that I cared. It was free. Came with it for free. Well, they say free, even though I'm sure the price includes it. Oh yeah, look at that.
Say hello to my little friend.
I am thoroughly impressed with this.
Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing.
Okay, sure, why not? Why not protect the propellers with the propeller holder? It just snaps, boop, right off. So it like unfolds, which that'll take a smidge to get used to. All right, so yeah, there's your propeller holder. Cool, gotta keep it safe. Take the stickers off. We unfold. The 4 has quadrilateral, if I can say that right, avoidance. So it has these little sensors on it that when it's flying, if say it's following you, and there's a tree branch, it will go around the tree branch. It will go around things on its own with its own brain. Whoa. It has little stands on here, which makes it nicer when you put it down so it doesn't hurt these propellers, because you see back here has a little spot where it sits on, and when it was sitting, the 3 sits a little closer and the propellers hit, and it's, I heard it's a nightmare. So this is what you get in the combo kit. This is your protector on the front here, and I've been told when it's off, you can maneuver, not that I really want to, but you can mess with the gimbal when it's off. When it's on, I heard, do not touch it, which, I mean, makes sense. Once it lines itself up, if you twist it, throw it off. Look at all the stickers they got on this thing. My goodness, it's like I gotta tug on it to get them all off. I don't like doing that. It's like a fragile baby. What do we have down here? What the hell is this? Oh, it's, man, look at that little padded sticky thing they put underneath there to keep the gimbal safe. Look at that. This is like super padded out. Okay, DJI, okay, with all your padding, like that's detail. Appreciate it, because the shit ain't cheap. So with the Fly More kit, you get the drone, bam, you get some cables, you get a screwdriver, you get some propellers, and then you get the almighty, amazing, screened out controller. Back here are your joysticks. But, hold on a minute, fold this guy back up. Yeah, so it folds up this into this tiny little guy. It's not going in my pocket. They advertise you can put this in your pocket, but I mean, I'm not wearing Jinko pants or cargo pants. If you got cargo pants, bam, put it in there. You got cargo pants, you're good. Otherwise, put it in a backpack. I'm gonna put this down. So I got these off of Amazon. Cool thing is that you can get different colors off of Amazon. So I'm gonna have a green and a gold. So I got extras basically, and they just screw on like so. So now I have my cool little joysticks on there. Screw them on, and look at, now I got the gold and the green. That's got some nice response to it. Oh man, I like that. When you're not using these, clearly you can't put this in your backpack like that. It'll break it. So when you're not using it, they sit back here. So let's take the DJI ones and compare them. This is the DJI guy, and this is the green one, the Amazon one. Now, they are the same size. They have different patterns on them. One is kind of a diamond and one is the DJI is kind of a checkered. They have the same kind of spiky top. Well, there you go. They fit perfectly together. They're about the same size, same everything. They're good. I like the colored ones, but these are nice. The DJI ones are nice. I'll end up putting these in the case. And then I take my new ones, my Amazon ones, and I stick them right in there, and they fit right in there. Bam. That's cool. Man, the rubber on this feels so nice. That is nice. This is really well thought out, really well built. You can hook your lanyard to this. It's got buttons on the bottom. Good feel to everything. Everything feels good. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Now that it's unboxed, let's go have some fun.
lost.